just cleaned the house, actually just the floor, and it is now 2:20. Yeah, I'm tempted to go out because I don't have food here. Empty. Yeah, I have just ice cream, green beans. Oh, this pizza. It's empty. Okay, we go. Oh, this is the time to pick up kids. That's why there are many cars in there. Yeah, we are already out here. You know, from here I can smell the roasted chicken that you can buy from Walmart. But we're not going to buy that. We are going first to the Chinese restaurant. We are going to eat fried rice. Oh, you'll notice that many people are wearing already something like this. Yeah, because it is cold today. Probably because of the rain. Oh, now I noticed that there is something different here. And when I look down, I noticed that the two trees are cut already. Oh, it's getting windy here. Oh, this is what the food that I am eating. I almost forgot. Yeah, I already eat 2 pieces of this spring roll. I have this fried rice and chili soy. This is delicious. This is easy to prepare in the house, but you know, the experience of just sitting here seeing that makes it different. And oh, the door is closing, opening by itself. Yeah, so yeah, I just finished this and I'm satisfied. I actually feeling like going home now. No need to go to the marina or stay here just watching the people. Oh, I would like to say hi to Mr. Jun Giselba. Salamat. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate that you're watching my video. Yeah, I hope you are having a good time. Thank you, Mr. Jun. Also thank you to Kathleen. And it is now raining a little bit. I checked the weather and there will be rain 40% by 4 o'clock. The time now is at 3:30. Yeah, the rain instantly get down. Okay, we are going now. We are first going to the grocery. Yeah, it is raining again. We are going inside the grocery. Oh, we're going to take one of these. This is beef stir fry, and it's $11. Yeah, this is $3.50. Hot crossbone. Okay, we are now here. My bike is so wet. Okay, we are home. Yeah, it was raining. That is what I bought, a laundry soap, a crossbun, and I'm going to cook it with just soy sauce. This mixed vegetable. I don't know when, maybe tomorrow. But this time I'm just going to have a cup of coffee and eat this mocha hot crossbun. Should I put this in the microwave? Yeah, a little bit. 30 seconds in the microwave would be okay. I'm actually waiting for a package delivery from Amazon. I ordered 2 days ago, and yeah, to be delivered today. Yeah. Oh, delivered. Oh my god. One moment, I heard something. Yeah, the door was opened by the wind. Yeah, so basically this is the one that they just delivered. It is a window or door alarm. Yeah, 2 pieces. And this is from GE General Electric. Yeah, yeah, 2 stick. And this is the alarm. 1, 2. 2 alarms. Basically, you put this in the door, and if they separate, it will alarm. Yeah, we tried that. Oh, it's with battery already. Inside there are 4 pieces of battery. There are 3 settings: off, chimes, alarm. Let's close the door so maybe it's very noisy. Oh, that's very noisy. So many sticks. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. There was a flood on that side. Yeah, there's no rain at the moment, but yeah, during when I come to work it was raining. Also during my break time it was raining, heavy rain. And I'm actually wearing my yeah, rain trouser and rain jacket because I thought it is raining, but yeah, it's not at the moment. But for sure it is going to rain. And do you know that many places here in Hunter region, here in New South Wales, that are flooding. So the best you are to me. You will. You notice that? Full of water everywhere. It's like a new swamp. When I was a kid, we used to play in a place like that. Yeah, we are finding fish. The water is clear and nice looking. Oh, in here there's a deep water. Whoa. That's not good. Yeah, so it means that there was a very strong wind here last night. It's easy to achieve, and I never fallen in love with you again. Oh, look at this. Actually, there is a broken bridge in the Salamander Bay area. Also in here there is a warning. I don't know what is this, maybe landslide something. Yeah, nothing really. Yeah, nothing really. Oh, it's closed. This the one. Oh, it's closed. How can I should I go back? Should I go back because it says with this? Of course not. Yeah, I need to get down for me to cross. And there is one more here. So also in here there's warning. Okay, we are going to have a look down there. Maybe they close it down there because it's been 3 days that there is a heavy rain and heavy wind, strong wind. Actually they put a barrier in there, so yeah, car cannot go to that side. Yeah, because it is flooded in that. And this artist here, there are many people actually. They are just walking around. Oh, look at this. Look up to Jesus, but not now. You are driving. We are getting in this way because yeah, the road is closed on that side. Yeah, maybe they put some kind of tube to take the flood. Okay, we are home and it is already 3:10. Yeah, I just changed and I'm very hungry. We're going to cook some fish. Yeah, the juiciness of the beef is gone because it's very well done. Yeah, I'm watching the journey. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling the heartbeat around. Yeah, nice.